Let's see another case with this Samsung Galaxy Tab A that won't turn on. What we have to do in this case? In today's class of our course, we are not going to record the disassembly process because for that we have many videos on our YouTube channel. So you should be prepared because we are going to see a good repair. To get to the motherboard, we have to remove the screen. Whoever is subscribed to our YouTube channels knows how to do it. To remove the shields, I use the top method with 400 Celsius degrees and 80% air in the shortest time possible. A lot of heat, a lot of air in the short time. I've been using this method for a couple of months and so far I'm going great. I'm saving a lot of time in repairs. As you can see, we've got the 5 volts on the motherboard. I'm going to try to explain to you with details to perfectly understand how to make these measurements in the shortest time possible. Now, with the help of the microscope, we'll check where the fault is. We select the multimeter in continuity mode and we are going to look for a short or a leak on the motherboard. This capacitor doesn't seem right. Surely the whole line is in a short circuit. Pay attention to the values of the screen because for this reason I'm using this digital precision multimeter from the brand FLUKE. You can also stop the video and write down on a paper on which side the short circuit is without removing the bobbin. It will help you to verify if you are right or not. The truth is that I prefer to remove the bobbin and to put in the voltage. In this way, the cable that I'm going to solder stays firm. The short circuit is on the right side. For a good soldering, we solder the pads and then, with a thick tip of the soldering iron, we solder the cable. Now, with the help of the Quainli 3D thermal camera, we are looking for the short circuit. Here we can observe how the temperature rises up to 49 Celsius degrees. The truth is that a good tool helps you a lot, but a good technician can solve these breakdowns with basic tools, for example, in this case, using the rosin technique. Investing money in good tools can save you a lot of time, but all of this depends on volume of work. Here we have the guilty one, is a power amplifier. We are going to remove it using 400 Celsius degrees and 80% air. As you can observe, with all the shields and the large circuits, I apply a lot of heat and a considerable airflow. In this way, I gain a lot of time and I don't risk anything with the motherboard. The short circuit is disappeared, so now we are going to solder the bobbin and to check the device. If you are asking what's the price of this repair, let me tell you that we charge to our customer around 90 euros. And if it's a good customer that comes often to our laboratory, we can apply a 15% discount. Now let's connect the charger. We can see a charge of 0.4 amperes, so we'll wait a little bit. Now our device is charging well. We place the screen and we turn on the device. Once the failure has been located, we just have to buy the integrated circuit and to replace it. The screen protector has a crack, but the screen is okay. With this repair, we saw how can we solve any failure of an Android device.